This 2024 Forest River Solera 24 SRB is a Class C RV. It is located in Zephyrhills, Florida, 33540 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Zephyrhills. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floorplan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2024 Forest River Solera 24 SRB is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.